The symbio-cart, a symbiosis of quality, aesthetics, and the most modern development methods. This cart delivers solutions for a wide variety of applications in medical technology. It features a lockable media column with ample space for cables and country-specific power sockets. This enables secure and organized management of the cables along the media column. The interface media shelf has room for extra long cables or power adapters. It is also spacious enough to supply connections for monitors. For ease of use, all interfaces are located at the side of the shelf. The integrated mounting holes make it easier to add onto or modify the shelf locations. Moreover, the three-side cart handle assures easy and safe movement of the whole system. In addition, you can customize your cart to align with your company branding and create a unique identity in the market. The vertical profiles are placed in the front of the basic frame, which enables you to easily reach the equipment. The symbio-cart gives you high functionality, quality, and a modern design. Furthermore, it offers a wide variety of system components and accessories so that you can adapt to the individual demands of your medical applications. iTD, trusted expertise in medical technology.